I am Shifu of the Fire Mountain School of Chinese Martial Arts and Energy Fitness Training. And this today is my first Shifu snippet, a short segment designed to shed light on different concepts and practices in our systems of Chinese martial arts and energy fitness training. They'll be inspired by questions and comments and concerns from students and admirers and critics. Today we're going to focus on one section of one form called Wu Chan Taiji Ba Fa, the 8 moves of Tai Chi power. Okay, so this move is called shoulder. Shoulder, right? And in the Tai Chi trigrams, it's mountain, Ken, or San. So shoulder has this thing where you have to extend your fingertips past your elbow, swing the hand up, and create this structure here with the 2 arms, boom, shoulder, right? So keep going again, and I'll show you one more time, right? Revolve, extend, shoulder, boom, right? Right, so you strike, right, so then we'll do it one more time. Here like this, revolve, extend your fingers, right, past the shoulder, good. Extend the yi, right, so revolve, extend, swing up, shoulder, boom. Revolve, extend, good. So this concept of yi extension, this energy of yi extension, of yi, is an important one in our lineage. You have to extend beyond your current limit. Inspire your body to move. Shoulder. Good. I'm going to turn to the camera so you can see. This hand, these fingers come past the elbow, right? Touch right here, and then they swing up, almost like a pole vault, right? And then this hand slides down into this arm, right? It creates one structure, right? And from balance here, boom, right? This hand supports this arm and a strike, right? Okay, so don't try that part at home. Right. One more time. Now, here's the magic. You don't just reach for here, right? If you go for here, it doesn't work, right? If you go for here, the move doesn't work. You have to extend your yi past your elbow, right? Catch it, swing it up, and then go. And this is a good life lesson, because we're constantly, if we're growing and evolving, which is what Kung Fu teaches us, Chinese martial arts teaches us to keep growing and evolving, we're always extending beyond our current limits, kind of like I am right now with this video, right? So you want to extend past, right? So if you have any questions or concerns, comments, criticisms, hullabaloo, resentments, please put them in the comments below. Check us out on the Fire Mountain School website, thefiremountainschool.com, Wu Chan Shifu at Instagram. Sign up for our class. Come and try it for yourself. The class is free. You're welcome to join us. Right? 1, 2. Right? 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. Hopefully that serves you well. Good luck to you in your training. Remember to keep adding energy.